Hello fellow designers and artists. This video is one of a series where I demonstrate the process of creating a 3D layered mandala SVG cut file. In this initial video, I'll guide you through sketching the mandala using Adobe Photoshop. While I personally use a Wacom Intuos M Pro tablet, you can follow along with an iPad or Android tablet and a stylus. Just make sure to have an app that offers a mandala mirroring function. For this project, I've set the mandala symmetry to a 4-segment count. For the first layer, I'm creating a frame-like design to resemble a shadow box. When sketching the 3D layered mandala, I begin by working on the uppermost layers and then progress to the layers underneath. Throughout the sketching process, I keep in mind that the design should form a single cohesive shape. This way, when the mandala is cut, it won't have numerous individual pieces but rather a single piece, making assembly much simpler. sketch is complete, I save it as a JPG file. In the next video, I will demonstrate how I utilize this sketch to create a 3D layered vector file. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more content in the future.